Sounds like in the next hour or two, we're going to get some snow moving in.
It's almost like, Eric, we're just hitting rewind.
It feels very much like Groundhog Day this winter. Almost every one of our storm systems has been the same. A little bit of snow, then some ice, some rain, a lot of mix. You know, what we had just about a week ago, that was the only pure snow event that we've really seen all winter long. So the snow will fill in between about 8 and 10 o'clock tonight. Some minor accumulations out of this one. It's about the slick travel. As we head through the overnight hours and early tomorrow morning, some of that snow topped with freezing rain and sleet, and so still quite icy when we wake up tomorrow morning. It looks, feels, and smells like snow outside. Temperatures are in the 20s away from the coastline, 30 in Boston. Very dry air at the surface, so a lot of this is going to stay very light over the next couple of hours. There's some steadier snow down toward coastal Connecticut, but this is mainly some light, fine snowfall into Worcester County and down toward the Cape. Some flurries likely as well. I wouldn't expect it to accumulate all that much. Dew points are still around 10, even some single digits, so it takes a while for that snow to fall through the column of air and saturate it. What we're really watching is this batch, which is making its way into Pennsylvania. That's the one that's going to produce more significant snowfall and ice rates later on tonight, really just right in the middle of the night. So the impact is lowered a little because of the timing. So here's a look at the snow, which really starts to fill in around 9 to 10 o'clock. We'll get a couple hours worth of that snow, and then it changes over to sleet and freezing rain. So very icy throughout the overnight, and it winds down around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, during the commute, I think anywhere away from the immediate coastline will be at or below freezing, so it'll be very icy out there to start the day. As we head toward mid and late morning, the temperatures climb, the skies will clear, and by the afternoon, we're up around 50 degrees in Boston with 40s in central Mass, so pretty much anything that falls tonight, most of it should melt during the day tomorrow. Looks like a coating to 2 inches. Worcester area heading up across southern New Hampshire, about an inch or so from Boston south and east, changing over to some freezing rain and then regular rain at the very end of the event there near the coastline. A glaze of freezing rain is likely pretty much region-wide. It won't be enough to cause damage or power outages or anything like that, just making it really slick, and especially starting around 9, 10 o'clock tonight into about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That will be the peak time for some rough roads. Then we head into the afternoon and near 50, Boston, southeastern Mass, mid and lower 40s across the higher elevations, but even that, with some clearing skies, will produce quite a bit of melting for our day tomorrow. Also, some minor coastal flooding. There aren't enough strong onshore winds to cause bigger issues, but the tides are already very high because of the full moon that we had yesterday. Taking a look at our temps for the rest of the week, it looks very nice for Friday and Saturday, low 40s, bright skies. Our next storm system will arrive on Saturday night, and that's going to start with a bit of wintry mix, but it's a milder storm system, so the majority of that one looks to be rainfall. And again, some towns could reach or top 50 on Sunday afternoon, especially south of Boston. But our drier day will certainly be Saturday to get outdoors. And the slopes continue to look great. Nice seasonable weather, a little bit of ice, but mostly snow as we look into the overnight hours tonight. And if you're traveling somewhere else, I'll tell you, ski country has been great coast to coast this year, and the warm spots are very warm. South Florida continues to see some record heat as most of the state has had a very warm month. And there's your full 7-day. Monday, probably the least tolerable day to be outside, David and Lisa. Looks like a lot of wind to start next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.